behind me in between the two cars. That's funny. Hi, this is a 2010, I believe. Yes, 2010 ZR1. It just got, we didn't baseline it. Customer did it. He just came here. We just did injectors and shit in it, and now I'm tuning it. But it has Cook's headers. I don't know whose air intake. Synergy maybe, the tube one. 255 pulley, Kong ported blower, CNR bricks, and ID 1300s. This thing will be running on 91 octane. I believe it has 93 in it now, but he's moving and he's only gonna have 91. So I'm gonna basically tune it on 93 and then detune it a bunch for 91. But he said once he gets out there, we're gonna like remote tune and go back and forth with some of that just to make sure it's good. So I don't know what this thing will make. 650, a little rich. It was pretty good there. Made 617 is basically the first full pull. Still a little fat up top. I don't really have any timing in it yet, like 16 degrees. So I think my guess of 650 is going to be pretty good, to be honest with you. Then I'll probably have to take out 2.5 degrees of timing or more for 91. So it'll probably make around what it's making now on 91. But he said there'll be E85 out there. So once we do that, we'll be good there. Actually made 649 there. It really likes me taking out some fuel up top. So I didn't really, I think I took out like 4%. It wasn't anything crazy. Just started like trickling the knock sensor there at 17 degrees of timing, so, which may be because it was still a little fat. So I'm just gonna leave the timing where it is, but lean it up a little bit more and see if the knock goes away. If it does, then I'll add some timing. It's making 18 pounds of boost though. I don't think this thing will make much more than this, but I think they were hoping for 700, but I told them that that was probably not gonna happen. The 643 there, I went down a little. It's also hot as shit. I made, I don't know, 6 pulls in a matter of 15 minutes. but I'm probably gonna leave it there and let it cool for a little bit. AIT2s are 131 at the end of the run, so a little warm. Okay, a little cool down time. Not long, maybe, I don't know, 25 minutes. And I just talked to the owner. This thing actually already has 91 octane in it. So that's good because I won't need to like try and guess and play with the tune. I guess he said in New Jersey, the Sunoco stations have 87, 89, 91, and 93. So it's doing this power on 91 octane. So, which I'm pretty happy with. It's 662 there. And that's probably all the timing I'm going to be getting. It same thing, I was just trickling the knock sensors there. That's probably it on this thing. 658 there, made 662 on the other pole. 91 octane, that ain't bad.
An 02 Silverado with an 8.1 and an Allison transmission.
Fuck yeah. Alright.
Fine. Good. I was doing it that way. Oh, I'm missing a bolt. So I'll just try and find another bolt and hit it with some paint real quick.
Hayabusa just revved at me. It's a shame that there's so much traffic, or I'd love to play with that thing. Hopefully you guys can, I'll roll the windows up, but I generally don't take the GoPro out when I'm test driving cars. A lot of people think I don't. I take every single car out on the street. Make sure it drives good, shifts good, etc. Just don't like filming it. Just kind of never have. But this car, it's a F1X car. We featured it a little while ago. We just been playing around with pulley size and stuff, and it's just on pumping meth. And it still made like 1,200 and something. It actually made like 1,250 or 1,260. But we had to keep turning it down because it was making too much boost, still in the stock ECU. And it was just maxing out map sensor and stuff, and I couldn't control fueling, so we had to keep going down in pulley size. I think it still makes 22 pounds or 23 pounds, so this guy just gave me one of these. I just don't think we're gonna have enough room to play, although it would be fun. I'll see. I'll give it a little third gear roll. Coming up behind me in between the two cars. That's funny. I don't know if you guys caught any of that on the GoPro, but it's the first time I've driven the car, other than basically around the parking lot. But I mean, it's fucking, this thing is badass. For pumping meth to still make 1,200 wheel, drives awesome. You know, this is the first like warm day we've had. That's why I wanted to wait to take it out. This thing's not going to hook when it's like 30 degrees out. So today it's finally like I don't know, 70 something. So I wanted to drive it today. Customer's going to come pick it up within the next couple days. But it's this thing runs great, man. I mean, we're just chilling on the highway. It's coolant temps 201 degrees after just making that pull. Oil pressure is just 50, just cruising. This thing's fun, man. The car basically came in with our head's cam package on it, which is right around like 600. So in reality, we doubled the horsepower from 600. So I don't know if he's ever driven anything with this kind of power. But you know, once more power, once put E or something on it and turn back up the boost, I mean, this thing will make 1,400 and some change pretty easily, honestly. It made 12 like 60 or something on pump gas, but it was just too much boost, so we had to back it down. So, you know, that on E85, you know, just on that boost level will be 1,350 or more there. So still stock ECU. There's only so much you can do as far as like boost wise. You can't run 30 pounds of stock ECU. But so we'll give it back to him like this. It's got 15s and shit on it, so it actually hooks good. Granted, I'm on our little strip of Mexico where we always race at. It's great, 3 lanes wide, it's concrete. There's nowhere like anybody can pull out in front of you at, which is awesome. You basically can just only get off the exits. It's 11:45 on Wednesday, and I don't know why there's so much traffic, but it just is what it is. I mean, I got to make one little pull, which is good. I'll probably pull over up here and just check the data log. I'll actually just do that now. Even though it felt awesome. I got wideband and shit right here, so. Lock looks good. It made, let's see how much boost. Sorry, I'm fucking dying. Made 21 pounds of boost at 6850 RPM, so no knock. It's got 17 degrees of timing in it. It's good enough for me.